Scene 4. Okay, this right here is how we are going to use our snap tool. This is one of your activities that we've shared with you in your Google Drive. Okay, what you have to do is copy this object right over here. Okay, now you have the directions and it shows you exactly what to do. Use the tools that you've already learned, the line tool and the snap tool. Now, this you have to complete right here. You have to make this right here. Same thing here. Okay? So, what we do is go to our first objective after we've read these directions right over here. And what you're going to do is pull up your line tool. It doesn't have to be the exact same measurement. The important part is that you're using the correct snap features. Okay, this one says snap to midpoint. So in your bottom controls, right down here, if you click on that arrow, it will show you all the snap tools that are being activated right now. If it has a check next to it, that means it's activated. So this one means midpoint. I'm going to turn all these off just to show you. Now if I click my line tool, I can't click anywhere. It's not telling me where to go. So I click my snap tool. I'm going to turn on endpoint. I'm going to turn on midpoint. Let's just work with these two for this one. Now that I have my line tool selected, I can go to the green spot here, which will be the end of my line, and I can go to the midpoint here. And I'm just going to draw a vertical line. What do you know? Not perfect match, but it's pretty darn close. Now you go over here. This one says snap to quadrant. Whoa, big word. What you want to do is make sure that your quadrant one is pulled up. Now you'll see what quadrant means. It means the left, bottom, right, and top side are the things you're going to be snapping to. So go to your line. Oh, it's a diamond. And go to the other diamond. Enter. Now I'm going to repeat my line by right-clicking. Diamond to diamond. Yay! Next one. This one says snap to quadrant and center point. So the center of this circle is right there, and it's going to the quadrant, which is right up there. You'll see how the line goes through the circle. So, going to go down to my snap tool, make sure my center is turned on. Go to my line tool. Now, here's a cool thing about circles and radiuses and everything else. When you put your cursor just over the circle, it automatically shows you the center point right there. Okay, so you go right to it, and then you're going to snap to the quadrant. You'll see how, since I have my ortho turned on, that I can only draw a right line. But if you're snapping to an object and you're using the snap tool, it will still allow you to go to the desired spot. And this one is snap to the endpoint. Well, just to double check, endpoint is turned on. So then all I'm going to do is go to my line tool and draw my line out. Right click, enter. Now that I showed you how to save, make sure you go again, because it's a new file. You go save as. You go to the hard drive, not the folder, the drive. It's like a computer on its side. Try it. Go to there, find my CAD folder. You have to double click. That's where my previous drawing was done. Snap, and it's a drawing. We save it. Okay. In the next video, I will show you how to fillet, not fillet, fillet, and chamfer an object.